This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. 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 Yeah, no need to enable video. So just have to enable audio.
Hello,
Hello.
can you
Yeah,
hear me?
hi. Yes,
Hello.
yes. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Tell me about yourself.
Say again?
What?
Uh, I didn't hear it. What was your question?
Yeah, so tell me about yourself. Means you are working or
Oh,
not.
I
Okay,
see.
you have any.
Yeah. Yeah, my name is Dov, and I live in California right now.
Okay.
Yeah, and just um, I have just only the admin experience, and just want to learn Salesforce development.
Okay.
This is Manoj, right?
No, no, Shiva.
Shiva. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I'm the trainer.
How are you?
Hello. Yeah, yeah, I'm good. Okay, so then, so you have some experience with administration, right? Okay. So let me know. So what was the difference between custom application and standard application?
Customer application and what? Standard?
What was the difference?
Difference is uh I forgot that.
Okay, hey, no issue. So, and coming to standard application is nothing but so it's a predefined application. Okay. So what was the application Salesforce provided to us? Okay, so that application called as the standard application.
Okay,
Got it. Custom application is nothing but so scratch onwards. We are defining the properties and we are developing that application. Okay, so that application called as a custom application,
okay,
right? So like that, we are having a standard object and a custom object, okay, and standard fields and custom fields also is there.
got it. I have
Got
a
it.
question.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
could we record this, please?
Yes, yes. This one is recording
Yeah, thank
already. Recorded was started. No problem.
you.
And one more thing, just you have to share your email ID in chat box.
Sure.
Means after completion of this session, I will send this recorded video to you. Okay.
Sounds good. So I'm trying to find the chatter,
What?
the chatting, the writing section.
Yeah. Chat box is there na in GoToMeeting.
First time I use this application.
Oh, okay. So just you can open a GoToMeeting software. Okay. So what was a meeting software? So in that meeting software, we're having chat option, CHAT chat.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So just click on that, then you will get one box. Okay.
Got it. Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
I send you.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So I will share a recorded session to this mail ID. Okay,
Cool.
after completion of this session, just after completion of the session, in 2-3 hours, just we have to check. Why? Because so it will take some time to convert and download. Okay, so minimum of 1 hour is there. Okay, after 2 hours, just we have to check. Done. Okay, so then coming to the, so what was the difference between administration and development? So you already completed administration, right? You already
Yeah.
completed admin.
No. I'm not professional as an admin. Just I have
Okay,
couple.
yeah, you have some
Years of
experience. Means, so you know what are the things we are having in administration, right? Like so creating the applications, objects,
Contact,
fields,
opportunities, leads.
right? So those are the standard objects, right? Okay,
Yes.
so coming to the, yeah, difference between administration and development is nothing but,
Mm-hmm. Sure.
okay, so in administration we are not using code, right?
Yeah. No code.
Yeah, simply no code. And coming to the development, we are using code. So here my question is, okay, so in administration means by using administration, so we can develop one perfect application, right?
Yep.
So recruitment application, warehouse application, okay, so like some HR related application. So we are having out of the box functionalities also is there, and some automated functionalities also is there. Okay, so we
Mm-hmm.
can restrict the fields and we can send emails to the clients or customers. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so why we are going to the development? So in administration, everything is possible. Like one perfect application we can develop. So then why we are moving to the development?
Yep.
So, but here in development, we are using code,
Yep.
right? So we are writing code to develop the application, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're developing a single field also, you have to write the code here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so administration is nothing but it's a declarative model. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yep.
administration is not what? It's a declarative model. And coming to the development, it's a purely programmatic model.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and coming to the point, so what was the difference between this admin and development? Okay, so means, so what are the functionalities we are not achieving? Okay, what are the functionalities we have not completed? Okay, if you want to if you want to do that type of functionalities, so we have to use this development.
Yep.
Okay,
That's what I
yeah,
want.
let's see. Yes, okay. So for example, yeah, you have a Salesforce username and password. Hello.
Mine? You mean
Yeah,
my
your
Salesforce?
username and password.
I
Yes.
have to open a new one. If you
Yeah,
need a
okay, no
password,
problem. You have to create a, yeah, no
I
problem. You
have
have
I
to
have
create
only
a
one.
new
I
thing.
can't share my password only in my current contact.
Acha. Okay,
But
so let's do one thing. So just have to create by using another email ID. Okay, we can
okay,
create one new Salesforce account. Okay,
sure,
and
with
for next
password.
session, just you have to do that. Okay, so just you can share me that username and password next section.
Sure,
Okay,
I'm gonna open right
so
now. while you.
One second. Yeah, see, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me right
Okay.
now?
So just now login into yes. Okay, so just now I login into my Salesforce account. Okay, so let's see here. I have accounts object. Okay, so just
Okay.
open this account object, and in this account object we are having some fields. Okay, so by using these fields, just we are creating some records. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so like a database. Okay, so let's see. So if it is possible to change this color, like account name is there and a parent account is there, account number is there, here rating, phone number. It is possible to change the color of this names, text, simply text. It is possible.
Okay.
It is possible or not? Yes or no?
Oh, what is your question?
So for example, so here the rating, phone number, fax, and website is there now. So this one is black color, right?
Yeah.
I want
Yeah.
to change to another color. It is possible in administration.
No, I think.
No, it is not possible. Okay, so in administration, what are the functionalities Salesforce defined predefinedly? Okay, we can use only that functionalities. Okay, so beyond that, we cannot do anything. Okay,
Yep.
for example, if you want to change the color or if you want to change the size of the increase the size of the font style, font, and if you want to change the style,
Mm-hmm.
means so different font style. Okay, so everything is possible. Okay, on
Mm-hmm.
development means writing the code.
Yep.
Okay, so how to save one word. Okay, so while writing the code, everything is possible. Okay, so
Okay.
anything is possible while writing the development. Okay, in administration, so what are the functionalities Salesforce defined to us? So we can use only that functionalities. Beyond that, we cannot do anything. Got it? Okay, so that's why we are going for development. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so otherwise it is not necessary to go development, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, give me 1 second. Just I'm changing what internet connection. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yes. Hello.
I open new account. Could you do in my account, or this is okay for you?
Yeah, for today's session is not required. Okay. For next session onwards, we will use your account. Okay. So meanwhile, just you have to share your username and password in chat box. Okay. So I will
I
save
will
it.
do that right now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I sent you already.
Yeah. Okay. So username is same your mail ID, right?
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Password only capital NYC1 DORE, right?
Correct. Yep.
Yeah, done. Very good. Okay, so done. So here in this development, okay, so basically we are having two modules. Okay, so first one is front end,
Mm-hmm.
and second one is what? A
Back end.
back end. So what is the meaning of front end? What is the meaning of back end? For
Front
example,
end
let's
is
see.
UI. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, front end is nothing but UI. So here, what are the things? Okay, we are visible to us. Means what was the fields and so here buttons. Okay, so all those comes under front end. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when you are clicking here save button, okay, it will do one functionality. So
Yep.
which type of functionality means? So just we are saving the information. Okay,
Yep.
so when you are clicking here save and new, so what was the information we entered? So that information was saved, and the simultaneous next step it will be opened the same window. Okay, means a
Yep.
new form. Okay, whenever you're clicking here cancel, the what was the information we entered, so it's not saved, and we will roll back to the record section.
Yep.
Got it. So these are the functionalities. So nothing but what are the things? Okay, so we are seeing. Okay, so in Salesforce platform, all those things are the comes under UI. So
Yep.
means front end. What are the functionalities? Means when we are clicking here, you have to save. Okay, when you're clicking here cancel, you have to cancel. So that is called functionality. Okay, so that
Mm-hmm.
type of functionality comes under backend.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Okay, so here
Yep.
front end is nothing but what?
Yep.
UI. So backend is nothing but what? A business
Uh,
logics.
Logic. Yeah.
Yeah, business logics we are using. Okay, in a front end, what are the technologies we are using?
Graphic.
Okay, so in front end, we are using a Visual Force, right?
Visual Force. Yeah.
A Visual Force pages. We are using Visual Force pages, and coming to the back end, we are using Apex
Apex
language.
language.
Apex language. What is the meaning of Apex? Advanced Programming Experience. Apex is nothing but. Got it.
Yep.
Apex is
Uh,
nothing but what? Advanced Programming Experience. So Visual Forces is nothing but it's a UI part.
Advanced. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Advanced Programming Experience. Okay, so here I'm writing, just you can observe.
Yeah. Just.
Yeah, Advanced Programming Experience. Okay, and coming to the
Yep.
this Visual Force pages. Okay, if you want to develop this Visual Force pages, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you must need HTML, comma, CSS, and Java script knowledge. Okay,
Yep.
so HTML is nothing but what? Hypertext markup language. Okay, and Cascade style sheets and JavaScript. Okay, so
Yep.
we need this language to develop our Visual Force pages.
Yep.
Got it. And coming to the Apex. Okay, so if you want to
Mm-hmm.
develop Apex code, okay, Apex language, okay, so you must use basics of Java.
Yeah.
Basics of Java. Okay, so by using basics of Java, we can develop Apex language. So this Apex language was supported to only Salesforce.
Yep.
Okay, so what was the language we are using? This Apex language is only for supported for the Salesforce development.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it is not compatible with any other platforms. Let's see,
Yep.
for example, if you want to develop any, sorry, if you are using SAP or Oracle or means Android or iOS Shift, okay, so we are using basic, sorry, directly Java. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so there is no other programming language we are using in that what softwares. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so but coming
Yep.
to the Salesforce, so we are not using direct Java. Okay, so just we are using basics of Java. Okay, so while using basics of Java, just we are developing this Apex language.
Got it. Mm-hmm.
Got it. So means nothing but what in develop in Salesforce development. So writing the program is entirely different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yep. Mm-hmm.
got it. So here in Visual Force pages, we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Okay,
Yep.
so then yeah, Manoj shared with you course content or not?
I got some email for about the course index, right? You mean
Yeah, yes,
or
right.
material? I had two email. The the topic, the first topic was IT security overview. Second one, secure system design architecture, tools and techniques. Third one is encryption and network protocols. Like this is like I didn't saw before these kind of things. This is the program.
Okay.
Do you need to send this to you?
Yeah, just you can share with me. So I will send my email ID to you. Okay.
Can I send you picture on text?
Just you can forward that mail simply. Okay.
Okay, so I'll try to find your email.
Yeah, I shared my email with you. Okay, in chat box.
Oh, chat box. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna forward you.
Just you can share that one.
Yeah, if we program and like if we program what we gonna study, that's gonna be perfect for us. Now I send you both email what he sent me before today.
Yeah, this is not a Salesforce. Yeah. Okay, so this is cyber security.
Yeah, this is not about Salesforce. He sent me wrong, I think.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, I will show you Salesforce content. What about cyber security material? What is this?
But is this related with Apex? I think it's not.
So computer network and defense. This is not also Apex.
Yeah, this is not total different things.
Yeah, this is entirely different. Yeah. Okay, so no issues. I will share the course content with you. Okay, so
Please.
let me see. Yeah, let's see. So this is the Salesforce development course content.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So in lesson one, so just we are going to know what is on by Salesforce platform. Okay. So what are the terminals we are using, and what about the multi-tenancy and the cloud? Okay. So what is done by metadata and API? Okay. What was the differences between administration and programmatic changes? Okay. What are the tools we are using in development?
Yep.
Got it. So this type of information we are discussing in lesson one, and coming to the lesson two. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to the lesson two, so what are the different types of data models, and what are the fields, and what are the relationships? Okay, so we already seen in administration relationships, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay, so and what about junction object? Okay, so what is done by schema builder? What are the business logics? Means how can I write the business logic? Everything, and then after what data management in Salesforce.
Perfect.
Okay, done.
I'm taking Pluralsight. Do you know Pluralsight?
What?
Pluralsight platform for education.
No,
Do
yeah,
you
I
know
don't know about that.
Yeah, I'm taking Pluralsight education platform, and I saw these kind of things, but that's for like more and more advanced.
Yeah, this
difficult.
is here I prepared for advanced topics here also. Okay, so just you can see introduction of the Apex. Okay, so what was the development process, how we are developing, and what
Yeah,
was
yeah.
the development tools, and what are the governor limits. Okay, and what are the data types we are using. Okay, and what about Apex classes? How can I write the Apex classes? Everything.
Yep, yep.
Okay.
Hmm.
And next one is what S object means. The Salesforce object relationships is there. Na? So how can I establish that relationships and SQL and SYSL queries? Okay,
Hmm.
so means we are using SQL in other platforms. Okay, and coming to Salesforce, we are using SQL and SYSL, Salesforce object query language and Salesforce object search language. Okay,
Yep.
and then coming to the DML, data manipulation language. So means how can I insert the records into my database by using code. Okay, as of now, we know how to create the record by using manually. So means just we have to go to one object and just click on a new button. Okay, and then after just we are filling the all the values. Okay, and just click on save button. So that's way just we have created the records. Okay, and coming
Yep.
to the here. So by using while writing the code. Okay, so how can I develop? How can I create the records? Okay, so that is comes
I
under
think
DML.
you on wrong different page right now. The I see the Salesforce development list on the page.
No, no. So just I opened this PDF file.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Got it? Okay.
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah. Yeah, this is DML language, and next one is how to write the trigger. So this is the very most important topic in our
Yeah,
Salesforce. Okay,
that's
so
important.
you are the Salesforce developer is nothing but what you know how to write the trigger. Okay,
Triggers,
so if you
process.
don't know,
Yep.
yeah, if you don't know about triggers, so you are not a developer. Got it?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
going to do that. That's what I'm here.
Yeah, sure. Definitely. No, no problem. Definitely, I will guide you how to write the triggers, okay, and how to improve your knowledge and everything. Okay.
Hmm. Yep.
And then after exception handling. So when we are writing code, so just we are getting some errors. Okay, so we cannot accept that type of errors we are getting. Okay, so how can I overcome? Okay, so when you are getting that type of errors, so how can I write the program? Okay, so we are discussing that thing in exception handling. And next one is what debugging. So debugging means not what, so just checking the output. Okay, how can I check the output and what are the things we are having in this output? Okay, how can I use developer console?
Hmm.
Got it?
Yep.
And next one is what testing. Okay, so so successfully we written some triggers and some test classes, some classes and visual force pages, everything. Okay, if you want to test that code, how can I test? Okay,
Hmm. Yep.
so
Debug.
we are having a different types of testing strategies is there. So how can I test this one? And next one is what a deployment strategy. So means once you created one application, okay, how can I move to the deployment? So means how can I move to the production? So as of now, we are using developer console means to develop the applications. Sorry, to develop the programs. Okay. So once
Hmm.
you develop that program means once you build that application, so then how can I move to the production? Okay. As
Hmm.
of now, we are using development environment. Okay. So only
Yep.
development is possible. Okay. We cannot deploy that application. Okay, if you want to deploy that one, just you can go to deployment environment. Got
Hmm.
it?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, and then after what? So finally, so lesson 15 and 16 is related to UI. Okay, so how to create the Visual Force pages. Okay, so what are the controllers we are having in Visual Force pages? We are having a standard controller. Okay, it's a standard list controller, custom controller, extension controller. Okay, so then how can I use JavaScript here? So how can I write CSS language? Okay, so everything we seen here in Visual Force pages. Okay,
Hmm.
so 1 to 14 is related to the backend. So why? Because the backend is very important, right?
Hmm.
So writing the code and writing the logics is very important. Okay, and
Hmm.
coming to the front end, for example, so HTML tags. Okay, so if you search any tag in a Google, okay, so that
Hmm.
HTML tag will be available. And coming to the business logic, okay, so business logic is not available in Google, right? So we have to think about that one, and we have to write the code of our own.
Hmm.
Got it? Okay, so
Yep.
what was the CSS style sheets and HTML tags and so JavaScript tags also available in Google. Okay, so no
Mhm.
problem. I will show one website. Okay, so in that website, just you can simply learn uh, this one means HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This simple programming language means basic languages. So just you can go to w3schools.com. This one,
W schools, yeah.
w3schools.com. So just wait. I'm sending this link in chat box. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Yep.
just you have to copy and save anywhere. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, so if you want to learn any basic language, so just you can go here. So initially we need JavaScript and CSS, right? Okay, so if you want to learn JavaScript, sorry, see HTML, so here first option is learn HTML.
Mhm.
Yeah, okay,
Yep.
yeah, I just click here learn HTML, and so just we are going into the HTML tutorial. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so here we are having some topics in HTML. Okay, so just we have to read all those things and we have to learn this HTML tags. Okay, so no issue. So when you are moving to the Visual Force pages, okay, so that time we will see this HTML and everything. HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Okay, as of now it is not required. Okay, so don't worry and don't get tense. Okay, why?
Mm-hmm.
Because first we need to complete what Apex, right?
Yep.
Backend. Okay, so once
Yep.
you first we have to concentrate on backend, and then after we will move to the front end. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So just why I'm giving some guidance. Okay, so when you are getting bored and when you want to learn HTML, so just you have to go to this website. Why? Because for example, so here just I'm showing one thing. So here HTML headings is there, one topic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So just click here HTML headings,
Mm-hmm.
then come here. So we are having 6 tags. Okay, heading 1,
Yep.
heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when we are using heading 1, so what was the output? How it look like? Okay, if you want to see that one, so here we are having one option, try it yourself. Okay, so just click on try it yourself. Okay, it will be opened in new window, and here you are getting output. Let's see.
Yep.
So this is the code. So when you are using heading 1, okay, it look like this size. Okay, so when you're using heading 2, like this.
Got
Okay,
it.
here just you can add anything and just you can observe the output. For example, heading 1, just I'm adding Salesforce and just click here a run button. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so
So
means so
equals
this
5.
flat, yeah, this platform is very good for learners. So why? Because so here left side just you have to write the code, and right side you can see the output. Okay,
Okay.
so whatever the information we are getting here, okay, whatever the information we are getting here, just you can change. Okay, as your wish.
Mm-hmm.
I got it. Okay, so
Yep.
whenever
This
you
is
are getting bored and if you want to
good.
learn anything, just you can go to these double three schools and just you can improve your knowledge. Okay, got it.
Yep. Yep. Got it.
And yeah, this is about course content. Okay, so I will update with you. And one more thing, so I will share my contact number. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so just you have to contact with me in WhatsApp. Okay.
From there.
Why? Because whenever you are getting late to attend the session, okay, so if you're not possible to attend the session, okay, if you want to know anything related to Salesforce, like so recorded sessions or these documents like that, okay, so just have to ping me and just have to contact me on WhatsApp. Okay,
Got it. So from
yeah,
that
did you?
number.
Hello?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, you
I'm
got my
just
number.
recording that phone number
What?
just in case. I'm just saving your phone number.
Yeah, okay, done. Okay, so this is about development.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and so
Yep.
today is just for only introduction. Okay, so and next class onwards, we will go for how to write the program. And one more thing, I am not following this sequence. Means so in lesson one, first topic and second topic, third topic. Okay, I am not following this sequence. Okay, so I will go as a real time application level. Okay, but after completion of the at the end of the sessions, when the end of the course, okay, so I will complete everything.
Okay.
Got it my point? Okay, what was the topics, means in lesson 1 what are the topics and lesson 2 what are the topics, each and every topic I'm covering. Okay, and don't worry about this thing in development, so just I have all the materials with me. Okay, so after completion of the course I will send it to you. Let's see here, development we are having lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, like that 16 lessons. And what was the extra topics we are having? Okay, so
Got it.
all the
What about
information.
other lightning? I saw the one of the lightning file
Where?
on the backside. Uh,
Here, this one.
yeah, that's a Salesforce lightning.
Yeah, Salesforce Lightning. So I'm
What?
teaching Salesforce admin, development, integration, Lightning, marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud. Okay, and
What about
certification also.
Service Cloud? Service Cloud.
What?
What about Service Cloud?
Yeah, I'm going to teach service cloud also. But initially, this admin and development.
Yeah, yeah. This
Okay,
is first thing. Yep.
yeah, basic thing is admin and development. Okay, so once you complete this development, and then after we will go for your choice, whether you want a sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, or integration or lightning experience. Okay,
Yep.
if you're planning for certification also, I will guide you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
got it. Okay, so then yeah, every day one session. Okay, so every day one session, and the session was recorded. After completion of the session I will send it to you. Okay,
Sounds good.
and next one I am not following any sequence, but end of the course I will teach you everything. Okay, and meanwhile I didn't send any what material to you. After completion of the course only I will send material. So why? Because the thing is, so I have 9 years of experience in teaching in Salesforce. Okay, and coming
Cool.
to the point, okay, so when I'm teaching, when I send this information in starting days only. Okay, so
Mhm.
students are going to search the means material, and if they are having a different word, so they are asking and they are interrupting me in when I'm teaching. Okay, so that type of issues will be rising, so that's why I'm not sharing any information. So once I complete the session, I will send the material. So material is nothing but what I'm teaching, so all same thing is available on that material. Okay, in future purpose. Okay, so just have to check that material, and so if you want to write any coding, so there was some examples is there now. By using that examples, just you can simply understand, and then you can complete your task in real time task. So that's why I'm sending the materials. Got
Cool.
it?
So, yeah, could you send me these PDF? I will check after the session, all of them.
Yeah, sure, definitely. I will send this recorded video after 1 hour. Got it.
Sounds good.
Okay. So meanwhile, I will send this PDF file also, same in Google Drive. Okay. So
Hmm.
just you can check.
Yep.
Okay. So done. So have any doubts?
No, we can go through.
Oh, yeah. As of now, sorry. You don't have any doubts, right? Okay, so no issue. And next class, we are going to start the scratch on words programming language. Means what are the data types we are having, and what are the for loops and the conditional statements. And next one is what how to write the queries like SQL language. Okay, and what are the collections and everything. And then after we will go for the Apex triggers. First we will complete a basic part, and then after we will move to the triggers part. Okay, so once we complete triggers, and then we will move to the Visual Force pages. I
Hmm.
got it. Okay,
Yep.
so today just I'm ending earlier. Okay, why? Because if I start any module, okay, it is not completed within 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, it will take maximum of 1 hour, right? So that's why I'm not starting. And next class we are going to start the basics. Got it?
Okay, so we know coding today, no nothing, just explaining today, right? You
Yeah,
mean?
today's nothing is there. Okay, so today
Okay.
just interaction between you, and what are the things you require basically, so I want to know that thing. So today is for that session. Okay,
Yeah, we're gonna study on weekends also, right?
yeah, once I come in, once I discuss with the coordinator, okay, I will let you know. Okay, so just have to ping me in WhatsApp, because I don't have your number now. Okay, so just send me hi message. Okay, so once I discuss with the coordinator, okay, let me know why, because tomorrow and the day after tomorrow also we will discuss Saturday and Sunday. Okay,
Who's the coordinator?
what?
Who's the coordinator? Manoj, you mean?
Your coordinator is Manoj. Okay, so for my coordinator is management, right? So I want to discuss with management, not Manoj. Okay.
Got it. So you guys, so many companies, like partnership. You guys doing partnership, and I
Yeah, yeah.
confused.
Yes, yes. Okay. So don't worry about or don't think about that thing. Okay. So you have to attend daily and you have to learn the technology. And one more thing. So whatever you want in Salesforce. Okay. So I will guide you each and everything. Okay. Only in Salesforce. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm not discussing about these financial matters and other things. Other than I don't want that one. Okay, so and my request is just you have to pay the in time payment to the this company. Okay,
Of
and
course, of
just you can
course.
learn
Hmm.
a Salesforce. Got
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
sir. This my only one instruction to you. Why? Because for example, you didn't pay anything once. If payment was delayed, na, obviously just I am the stopping teaching, right? So that's why, so no need to get any interruptions here. Simply just we have to go smoothly. And one
Okay,
more thing, so it any part of the Salesforce I will guide you. Okay.
cool. Cool. Can we do can we write, like, I want to know what day we're gonna study the each sections. Like, I want to schedule all my days. Could we do that?
Means I didn't get you. Let me
Now,
know.
I mean, like, first one, getting started with Salesforce platform, understanding Salesforce platform, first one, right? Like, I want to know which
No,
days
no,
on the
First one
calendar.
is not lesson one. Okay, first one is not lesson one. So first one is I think lesson three or not lesson three. So lesson five. So first we need to discuss the data types. Okay, what are the data types we are having? Okay, so primitive data types, as object data types, enum data types, collection data types, and operations and logical controls. Okay, and then after we are moving to the DML operations. Okay, so DML chapter 9, and then after we will go for SQL queries.
Sounds good. Could we do the calendar on that, like, on the right
I'm
side?
not
Can we
following.
do
No,
that,
no, no.
please?
One second, one second. For a development, we are not following calendar. Okay. So if you're going to learn administration, surely I will give assurance. So we will complete administration in 15 days. So why? Because I know the structure. What are the topics I need to discuss and what are the time it will takes to complete that module. Okay, for administration. And coming to the development, okay, so I'm going to write the code and I need to explain that code. Okay,
Yeah.
if you're having coding knowledge, so just you can get the knowledge in one time, single time only. Okay, if you don't have coding knowledge, I need to explain in depth and I will explain line by line. Okay, for example, someone having coding knowledge, they are coming from IT background. Okay, so and they are working in a Java platform also. So for that guys, it's very simple. Okay, so simply I can write the code and I will explain in a 5 to 10 minutes only. And coming to the non-IT background, okay, it will go for half an hour also. Okay, so that's why I cannot maintain any calendar for this development. Why? Because so basically it will take minimum 40 days. Okay, so if non-IT student or they don't have any coding knowledge, it will be add some more 1 week to 10 days. Okay, so that types of thing will be happen. And one more thing, in some time it is not efficient for 1 hour also, it will go for 1.5 hour also.
Yeah, the Kalyan told me like 1.5 an hour, like 1 hour and half, I mean, like, I'm sorry, 1.5 an hour.
One and a half hour. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see. So in 1.5 hour means what? For example, so today I completed one program. Okay, so one topic. Okay, if you're having any doubts, so and tomorrow just you are asking, and then after this I'm going to start the session. Okay, if it is possible, I will discuss only one module. Okay, if in the case we are having time, then we'll go for the second module. Okay, why? Because one thing. So I have a continuous session from morning 5 o'clock. Okay, so morning 5 o'clock to afternoon 1 o'clock, I have a continuous session. Okay, so there was a 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Everything is 1 hour only. Got it? So 1 hour is enough. 1 hour is enough. So 1.5 hours is nothing, but it's too lengthy. So why? Because per day we can go for one or two programs only. Okay. So if you are going for T through three or four programs, okay, so it will be confusion for you. Okay. So
Got
daily 1 hour, daily 1 hour. Okay. So just you can go for 40 days. Okay.
okay.
That is very good. What was the plan? This one is very good. Okay. So means in a single day, if you are learning more knowledge, okay, so you cannot store in your mind. Okay. So if you want to 1 hour, okay, not an issue. I will teach you 1.5 hour or 2 hours or continuous 3 hours also. It's not a problem to me. Okay. So but you have to earn some knowledge from this 1 hour. Okay. So we have to remember that one in permanently in your mind.
So what
Got it?
about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, let me know. So once I have to discuss with my coordinator, okay, so I will inform to you WhatsApp. Got it?
Got it. So I will wait your response.
Yeah,
Like,
sure, definitely, definitely. Okay, so within 1 hour, 2 hours, why? Because I have another session at 11 o'clock. After completion of the session, okay, I will contact with my coordinator. Okay, so once I discuss with that person, and I will inform to you. Okay.
yeah, please. And if possible, can you talk with your coordinator? Can we do the like schedule even each week? Like, if we have classes in this week, like I want to schedule because I live in US and you have your things to do and I have my things to do. Just if we schedule, that's gonna be better for
Yeah,
both.
one more thing. I'm available every day. Okay. Okay,
Uh-huh.
I'm available every day.
Me
So
too.
if you want to
Me too.
complete this training as soon as possible, okay, so I will teach you every day. So not a problem. Okay, weekdays and weekend
That's
also.
good. That's good. I want to finish that.
Okay, so if you
I
want to,
want.
one second. Okay, if you want to spend more time, so in the weekends, I will go for two sessions in Saturday, Sundays. Okay, Saturday, Sundays, my convenient time. Okay, so and your convenient time means that that's thing. Okay, so what was the convenient times we have to discuss on WhatsApp and we will schedule the session. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
got
Like
it.
I want to get this fast, like with you, and get job fast. You know.
Sure, sure,
That's
definitely, definitely. No issue.
that's
So here, my thing is also as soon as possible, I need to complete the sessions. Right? Why? Because
yeah.
for me, it's the time is very important. Okay, so once you completed your session, so I will get 1 hour free. Right? So then another student will be joined like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So no problem. Okay, we will meet in next session. So whether it is tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will inform to you through WhatsApp. Okay. So you have to ping me in WhatsApp. Why? Because I have your number. Then only I will inform to you. Okay. So otherwise, there is no communication. Got it?
Do you need my phone number?
Yes. Right. Just ping me.
I'm gonna write right now.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Okay. So let's see next section. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Good night. Okay.
You too. Take care. Bye. I don't know how to close.
Wait. I'm ending the session. No problem.
What time you can respond me tomorrow for?
Anytime. Just you have to send me message. Okay. Okay. So anytime,
Okay,
just you
I'm
have
gonna
to
ask
send the
tomorrow morning.
what
What
what.
I'm gonna ask tomorrow morning.
Oh, I didn't get you. Hello.
I mean, I'm gonna ask morning time. What time we gonna start
For,
class tomorrow? Okay. Hello. Hello. Troubleshooting. How do I close? I don't know.